Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have been doing good. Today I'm going to be doing a different style of video. I will be reviewing a hub that I picked up online, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So a while back my boy Sam hit me up and told me that he had a bunch of bike parts left over from his build, and among them were these Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. The issue he had with them was that they were left-hand drive, but he'd already set up his bike for right-hand drive with a free coaster, so he couldn't use them. I figured I'd just pick them up, get a hub for the left-hand drive for my bike, and just change my setup. For the longest time, I've always wanted to get my hands on a Colony WASP. I always love the ratcheting sound that the hubs make from the reviews I've seen online, YouTube, wherever. And I figured since I was already going to spend some cash on a hub, might as well just look into it. Now, at this point, I know you're wondering, wait, that's not a Colony WASP? Of course not. I really can't afford one of those. So I went over to my favorite site, AliExpress, and I found a similar one. Same number of pawls, same number of teeth, and well, let's see if it works. So the hub cost about 9,500 Kenyan shillings at the time, which came about to around 65 US dollars, which isn't so bad. Granted, the Colony WASP itself was going for over 160, so I just bit the bullet and ordered the item. Right off the bat, I'll say it's no Colony WASP. Then again, I've never come across one, but the machining around the hub body, the driver, the axle, all of it just comes into beautiful harmony when you look at it. Granted what I paid for it, and granted what I would have paid for a Colony WASP, and I'm still going to be doing a deep dive into the hub very shortly. Right here is a comparison between the United hub that I picked up on the left and a Colony WASP driver on the right. Pretty much they're the same, they look alike, same number of pawls, same number of teeth. Only difference is that the United has a ring around the pawls to hold them along the springs in place. Other than that, they look very similar. Something else to note is that the springs that come on this driver are very soft, very weak, if I could say so. They don't feel like they have that much tension on them, but for what it's worth, they do work. They just need enough pressure to push against the pawls themselves, which is what they do. And I've been riding it as is for a couple of weeks now, and it hasn't given me any issues so far. For comparison, here is a salt hub similar to the one that I've been running on my BMX bike for the past year and a half or so. It's just 4 pawls, just 4 points of contact all round. I've tampered with the spring to give it a bit more tension, which makes it a bit louder, and it's been working so far without any issues whatsoever. Also, you can notice the difference in size between the Salt hub driver as well as the United hub driver. Here's a little sound comparison between the two as well. Also, the difference in slack between the two hubs is very distinct. As you can notice, the Salt hub has a little bit more slack. So in conclusion, I will say my overall view of this hub is that it's very good. I would highly recommend anyone who's looking for a cheaper option as opposed to buying the mainstream brands. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below for where you can get it. There's also a wide range of colors and options to choose from, whether you want a right-hand drive or a left-hand drive as well. Let me know down if you guys enjoyed the video, if you would like to see more of this style of video, or just if you would like to see any kind of content specifically on the channel. And a special thank you to everyone who watches all my content. It's because of you guys I'm able to do stuff like this, and I really appreciate it.